Greetings from again, audio lovers. With our best selections for the best floor-standing speakers of 2023, we're exploring the realm of outstanding sound today. These speakers transform your auditory experience, whether you're a movie buff or a music enthusiast. We've taken great care in selecting this selection to provide you with the best possible sound and design. As we investigate this year's top picks for immersive audio enjoyment, stay tuned. Let's get started. Number 5. Since its release in 2014, the SVS Prime Tower speaker has been a part of our lives for 9 years. This may not seem like a long time in the speakers market given the slower updates from speaker manufacturers, but it's amazing that it has maintained its value and remained a customer favorite for so long, even with the introduction of many new models in the years that followed. The SVS Prime Tower speakers may be regarded as entry-level hi-fi speakers given their $1,200 suggested retail price, but don't let that phrase fool you, we'll explain why in a moment. With their outstanding performance and style, the SVS Prime Tower speakers completely revolutionize home audio. The acoustically excellent construction of these floor-standing speakers guarantees an enhanced surround sound system experience. With a 4.5-inch mid-range driver contained in a separate sealed compartment, these speakers produce a distortion-free mid-range that is clean, crisp, and precise. The two 6.5-inch woofers produce rich, detailed bass that enhances the impact of movie sound effects and lends musical richness. With a unique compartment and individual port tuning, every woofer produces accurate and strong bass that you can feel as well as hear. Transparency is guaranteed, and the 1-inch aluminum dome tweeter reveals minute nuances in voices and dialogue while maintaining crystal-clear highs even at loud levels. By focusing and fine-tuning the soundstage, the SVS SoundMatch 3.5-way crossover improves the speaker's performance. From dazzling highs to tangible lows, this design ensures precise frequency response at every listening position while preserving signal purity. Both the speaker's sound quality and cabinet design are outstanding. Clear and accurate sound staging is ensured by chamfered edges, which reduce sound diffraction. The cabinet has a contemporary industrial elegance and is available in piano gloss black or premium black ash finishes. These speakers combine aesthetic appeal and sonic quality, making them an excellent option for any home audio aficionado. Features like tweeter diffusers and shorting rings further enhance their appeal. The SVS Prime Tower speakers will improve the quality of your audio experience. Number 4. With its unmatched listening experience, the Fluance XL8FW reference high-performance floor-standing loudspeakers redefine audio excellence. With their excellent components and expert engineering, these speakers provide immersive, room-filling sound. The outstanding bass performance of these speakers is what really makes them stand out. The 8-inch downfiring subwoofers produce rich, undistorted low frequencies without sacrificing size. The mid-range drivers made of woven fibers offer ideal linear movement and vibration dampening, producing an accurate reproduction of the original recording. With their graceful handling of high frequencies, the silk dome neodymium tweeters create wide dispersion and crisp, natural tones that make any place in the room feel like the sweet spot. It's obvious that cabinet engineering is superior. Pure sound is ensured by carefully constructed enclosures with stiff internal bracing that block undesired resonance. A balanced audio profile is produced by the dual rear ports, which help to regulate the low-frequency response, frequency range, 35 Hz to 25 kHz. 8 isolation floor spikes and 2 magnetic front grills are part of the kit, which improves the speaker's looks and performance. The Fluance XL8FW floor-standing loudspeakers are an outstanding option for home theater systems or 2-channel stereo listening, since they are designed to provide exceptional sound quality and craftsmanship. These amazing speakers will enhance your listening experience. Number 3. With its flagship tower performance, the Klipsch RP8000F reference premier floor-standing speaker captivates listeners as it stands tall as the pinnacle of audio engineering. With two 8-inch spun copper woofers, this speaker produces rich mid-range tones and a deep, resonant bass. The speaker is equipped with Klipsch's renowned 1-inch horn-loaded tweeter, which guarantees clear, detailed highs that bring life to movies and music. The integration of hybrid horn technology is one of the unique features. Together with Klipsch's Tractrix horn, the speaker cabinet's flaring apertures direct sound waves toward the listener, improving efficiency and dynamics. By reducing sound reflections, this design provides an exceptionally clean and powerful audio experience. Additionally, the Tractrix horn extends to the bass port, providing more even airflow and less turbulence, which results in bass that is clearer, stronger, and requires less distortion. Additionally, the RP8000F offers versatility by having two sets of speaker input terminals, which allow for bi-wiring or bi-amping for the best possible sound quality. This kind of attention to detail is indicative of Klipsch's dedication to providing outstanding audio experiences. The RP8000F reference Premier floor standing speaker is an excellent option for audio aficionados looking for a speaker that skillfully strikes a balance between power, precision, and innovation. It will enhance your listening experience with unparalleled depth and clarity. Number 2. Offering an unmatched acoustic experience, the Sony SSCS3 three-way floor standing speaker is a monument to high-resolution audio. Your digital music is enhanced by high-resolution audio technology, which captures subtleties beyond CD quality. It faithfully captures every breath and tiny movement with enhanced audio samples and exact bitrate accuracy, evoking real emotional reactions from your favorite songs. With its cutting-edge super tweeters, the soundstage widens with amazing accuracy and harmony. These speakers reduce distortion and increase sound pressure by using cutting-edge technologies such as a lightweight CCAW in the voice coil and a strong magnetic circuit. A mica-reinforced cellular cone, which keeps its rigidity even under extreme pressure, complements the newly developed 130mm woofer's deep, stable bass to ensure undistorted audio, especially in bass-driven music. The high-precision tweeter from Sony demonstrates their attention to detail by accurately capturing the ardor and intensity of vocals. Noise is eliminated by the tapered faceplate corners, creating a natural soundstage. High-quality parts like silicon steel plates and air core inductors help to maintain the richness of high-resolution audio. Furthermore, the robust, ported, all-wood enclosures of the speakers are expertly designed for resonant acoustics, which reduces undesired vibrations and guarantees crystal-clear music playback. The stylish wooden finish of the Sony SSCS3 not only adds flair but also improves the speaker's robustness, making it the ideal combination of substance and sophistication for any audiophile. Number 1. Your audio setup will benefit from the combination of performance and style provided by the Jamo Studio Series S807 Walnut floor standing speakers. Two adaptable floor standing speakers with great sound quality are included in this kit. These speakers are perfect for movie soundtracks and music since they have two 5-inch polyfiber woofers and a 1-inch soft dome tweeter that produce natural, crisp sound. Their Dolby Atmos readiness is one noteworthy feature. The optional Jamo S8 ATM Dolby Atmos upward-firing speakers can be attached to the speakers thanks to the integrated metal bolts on top of the speakers. This creative arrangement greatly improves your home cinema setup by offering a three-dimensional audio experience without the need for in-ceiling speakers. The style is sophisticated and cutting-edge. The speakers now look sleek and new thanks to the subtle wood accents and the removal of the magnetic grills. Their entire performance is enhanced by the waveguide acoustic technology and seamless fastening mechanism, which guarantee a lively and engaging listening experience. These floor-standing Jamo speakers provide a great mix of style and functionality, making them a great addition to any entertainment setup, whether you're a movie buff or an audiophile.